Now, basically in ATL, we getting the mix CDs jumping, steady club nights, and then
City boy just came from my mom, you know what I'm saying I was spoiled, only child.
Let them all know that I'm back around, I'm taxing now. Meek Mill.
See, I've been waiting on that time. Feel me if you've been waiting on yours. That moment, it's close. It's close. It's close.
Yeah. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. Waiting on my moment.
Old dude met mom, it was on. Then he named me over a phone. Prison term, live and learn, sipping with my vision blurred. Take this cup of reality in the earth. When you start from the bottom, you can see the top. So when you get to it, don't let them see the spot. Next thing you know, you're looking for a rent sign. Upper echelon. We skip line. I remember reminiscing in the kitchen like, I wonder when them Braves gon' win it. I wonder when them Falcons gon' get here. Russ Vision made more than I ever made with DTP this year.
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Every night just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that out? Hell no, next time that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine. And just waiting on that moment.